Welcome back to Car Reviews, your go-to channel for everything on wheels and machines. Today, we're diving into the world of heavy machinery with a powerful and iconic name, the Caterpillar D4 Bulldozer 2025, built and optimized for tough terrain, rugged job sites, and demanding tasks across the United States. If you're in construction, land development, roadwork, or any large-scale infrastructure projects, the D4 needs no introduction. But this 2025 model brings a new edge to the game. It's not just about pushing dirt anymore, it's about doing it smarter, cleaner, and more efficiently. Let's start with the design. The 2025 Caterpillar D4 comes in a stunning medi black finish, giving it a bold, modern, and aggressive appearance. It looks just as good in a polished showroom as it does in the muddiest job site. The front blade is bigger and stronger than ever, reinforced for high-pressure tasks, and equipped with advanced hydraulic systems that offer smoother blade control. With precision in every movement, the LED lighting system has also been upgraded, which is a big plus for those early morning or late-night jobs. Visibility is crystal clear, and the lights are well protected for durability in harsh working conditions. Whether you're operating in the hot deserts of Arizona or the snowy fields of Minnesota, this dozer is ready for action. Inside the cab, it's all about comfort and control. Caterpillar has taken operator experience seriously. The seat is fully adjustable, air suspended, and ergonomically designed to reduce fatigue during long working hours. The new 10-inch touchscreen display is intuitive and supports multiple languages, including English and Spanish, perfect for the diverse American workforce. With integrated Bluetooth, USB ports, and climate control, the D4's cabin feels more like the cockpit of a modern truck than a bulldozer. Under the hood, you'll find the proven Cat C4.4 engine, delivering outstanding power while meeting EPA Tier 4 final emissions standards. It's fuel-efficient, eco-conscious, and incredibly reliable. Caterpillar claims a fuel savings of up to 10% over previous models. And in the current economic climate, that can make a real difference on the bottom line, but power means nothing without control. The smart grade technology integrated into the D4 allows for automatic grading assistance, grade tracking, and laser-guided leveling. You can set your targets, and the machine will help you stay on grade with minimal effort. For contractors working on highways, residential developments, or utility installations, this level of precision can save hours if not days on the job. Another feature worth mentioning is Caterpillar's Link technology, which allows you to monitor your machine remotely. Using your smartphone, tablet, or desktop, you can track fuel usage, idle time, location, maintenance alerts, and productivity metrics in real time. It's like having a full-time supervisor watching over your equipment 24/7. The undercarriage has also been improved for extended wear life and easier maintenance. With heavy-duty steel tracks and optimized rollers, it provides excellent ground stability whether you're on soft dirt, rocky terrain, or steep slopes. It's built to survive the toughest conditions the U.S. has to offer. To sum it all up, the Caterpillar D4 Bulldozer 2025 is not just a machine, it's a partner in productivity. With cutting-edge technology, a comfortable operator station, lower emissions, and a rugged build, it's made for the future of American job sites. Whether you're a small contractor or a large-scale developer, this machine delivers the performance you need with the reliability Caterpillar is known for. If you enjoyed this in-depth look at the D4 2025, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Car Reviews for more reviews, comparisons, and machine walkarounds every week. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.